borrowing at 11% interest. How do you calculate NPV? Very simple. How do you calculate NPV? Now I've got all the three set for you all. So I'm just going to use the last page here. The NPV here would be, 8 that I earn after year 1. What is its value today? Its value today will be 8 divided by 1 plus R I have taken as 11, 11 by 100 raised to 1, plus 9 that I am earning after 2 years. What is its value today? 9 divided by 1 plus 11 upon 100 raised to 2. I hope all of you with me. Thank you for nodding. Right? Plus 15 that you are earning at the end of year 3. Thank you. Sarath sir, what is its value today? It will be 15 divided by 1 plus 11 upon 100 raised to 3. Krishna sir? Minus, since we are showing net present value, it's all over. Net means you will subtract something. What is it, sir? You will subtract, senior, you will subtract 20. And that, if you want, you can say minus 20, or if sir says, and I agree, Mr. Arun says 1 plus 11 upon 100 raised to 0. But any number raised to 0 is 1. So either you write this or you don't write this, say minus 20, the answer is same. Because minus 20 divided by 1 is 20. Moment you get this minus this, if NPV, I do not know, we'll check now, if NPV is positive, some interesting discussions coming up, but let me finish this first. Atulji, if NPV is positive, I'm sure you would agree with me, we'll go ahead and invest in the project. Thank you, sir. Why? Because we are earning more than what we are investing. Thank you. NPV positive, we will invest. NPV negative, thank you, I don't need to ask you all also, we will reject. The heart of project finance is NPV. Do not try and use a shortcut. Don't skip NPV. Already I can see some nods coming. That is, after 5 minutes I'll tell you what is the problem that we do in industry. There is something known as IRR, but we will come to IRR a bit later. NPV stands for net present value. What I'll quickly do is, I'll show you a simple calculation here, right? I'll show you a simple calculation on NPV, right? I'll show you a simple calculation on NPV, right? Year, cash flow, year 0, 1, 2, 3. My cash flows were minus 20. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. 20. Thank you, ma'am. 8, 9, 15. Okay, so let's do a modeling. 2 minutes, all of us. So you just say equal to NPV. How many of you all have used this? Can I do? I get a feeling at least a couple of you all would have used this. I was sure. At least couple. Much more than that. Thank you. So this is how we do it. Equal to NPV, rate. I want you all to just maintain silence till I ask you. Okay? Rate, values. Values. Close the bracket. Lovely. It is positive. Since it is positive, you will accept. Since it is negative, if it is negative, this is not, you will reject. In this case, obviously, Excel will, I used an if function. Excel is now only trying to tell me that it is right, sorry, right, accept. Okay? No, it can't be a percentage. Sorry, I don't want to know who said it. NPV is never a percentage. NPV is always a number. NPV is always a number. Whichever dear colleague said that, please note NPV is always a number. Okay, so let me ask you all. So we have done we just said equal to NPV. You can note down the command, Excel. I don't want to get into modeling per se, but right, since it is connected with project finance, equal to NPV. Okay. Any comments? Any comments? So what we have done is wrong. What we have done is wrong. I know this is not a modeling class, but I am a trainer here. My duty will not be complete. I know I am getting into financial modeling till I tell you there is an error in your calculations. What is that error in your calculation, right? What is that error in your rate would be half. Good. This is present value, no? Pradeep. Huh. It will have this effect. It has. It is considered. It is considered. I'm not saying what you're saying is wrong, or maybe you know it. It's not coming out. Manoj, you'll like this, and I like to repeat it. 9 out of 10 times, we do this. I'm one among you all, so I don't want to say I know everything. I come from a very good organization. I worked there till I landed up in full-time academics. And then when I did this equal to NPV, this is the way most of us do it, okay? Equal to NPV, rate, comma, values. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the, not the formula, I'm going to use the concept, okay? So now I'm going to use the concept, so let's do the concept wise. Hello? So here what it is, this is nothing but, watch this, Ashish ji. Hari sir, please watch this and promise yourself that you'll go back and check what your finance guys are doing. Right? I'm not criticizing. I said I used to do it like this. Till a kid in college came back and said, sir, farak hai. I'll show it to you. Right? Minus 20 divided by, I suspect one of you all were almost giving me the answer, raised to 0. Now I'm going to freeze this. This is Excel, forget Excel. And I'm going to copy this down. Okay, if you're wondering what I'm going to do next, 8 divided by 1 plus 11% raised to 1. 9, actually I would have preferred dollar and copying it, but that's okay. I think I'll complicate it. And the idea is not to scare anybody. One last time, 15 divided by 1 plus 11% raised to 3. Now if I add all this, Krishna sir, there's a difference, Pawan sir. There's a difference, sir. I'll give it to you, sir. It's a pleasure always letting somebody from the audience speak. I'll give it to you in a minute. There's a difference, sir, and there's no two doubts about it. This has to be the correct one. This is the correct one. This was wrong. I'll leave it to a dear friend now. Sir, please, go ahead. Can you repeat it, sir? I love it when you all speak.
The NPV formula considers the first cash flow in year 1 from time 0.
Thank you, sir. Please note, for those of you who are wondering, 9 out of 10 times I've seen people say equal to NPV track. Please go back and check. I'll tell you why we get away with it. First, I want to crack a joke. We get away with this because we all operate in plus or minus 20% range. Because we forecast the future, no? So if Anil Menon says 100, thank you for smiling, and after 1 year the value is 80, brilliant, Anil Menon, right? If I say 100, the value comes to 120, still Anil Menon is brilliant, plus or minus 20%. But that plus or minus 20% is not to take care of such mistakes. brilliant, sir. I was sure, that's why I came and stood here. What was that? I was sure, at least one of you all would say it. Please note, if you are using Excel, my humble request is, if you are using Excel, please note the way Excel is programmed. I'll use a trainer